Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to settle your SSS contribution right from your phone using GCash. Let's jump right into it. First, head over to the official SSS portal and log into your member account. From the dashboard, find the Payment Reference Number tab and click on Contribution. You'll need to fill out a few quick details here. Select your membership type, like voluntary or self-employed, and then set the specific months you want to pay for. Choose your contribution amount from the menu, and then hit Generate PRN. Your unique payment reference number will pop up on the screen. Make sure to copy this down, because we'll need it for the next step. Now, pull up your GCash app and head over to the Bills section. Tap on Government and look for SSS Contribution. Once you select it, it's just a matter of pasting that PRN you just generated. Type in your total payment amount, select PRN as the account type, choose your payer category, and drop in your email address so you get a digital receipt. Hit Next. Take a quick second to verify that all the numbers and details are absolutely correct, and then tap Confirm. And just like that, your payment is sent. If you log back into your SSS portal after a little bit, you'll see the updated payment reflected in your contribution history.